Hi, fourth graders. Today for Bible class, you're going to be doing a little bit of application about what we've been learning about having compassion. And on this page here today, you can see these two boys. We've got Tom and Mike. And Tom and Mike think about things from a different perspective. Tom thinks in his mind, I wonder what he thinks of me. Tom sounds a little bit worried about what Mike might be thinking. Does Mike like him? Does Mike think he's weird? Does Mike think he's cool? He's curious and he's concerned about what other people think about him. Whereas Mike says, God, what can I do to help him? Mike is noticing that someone needs some help, that someone's having trouble, and Mike is wondering what can he do to help. So in today's lesson, we're going to think about how to be a good friend. The Bible verse that comes to my mind when I think about friendship is Proverbs 8:24 in the King James Version. It says, a man that hath friends must show himself friendly, and there's a friend that sticks closer than a brother. This Bible verse has kind of got two applications. The second part is reminding you that you are never alone. You always have a friend. Jesus is that friend that sticks closer than a brother. You are never without a friend, even when you feel you're most lonely, your most, time you feel the most alone, you are not alone. You have a friend that sticks closer than a brother. So that's how you can speak to yourself when you're struggling. You can tell yourself, I do have a friend. Jesus sticks closer than any other friend could. But then the first part of this verse has a different application. It has to do with how you interact with other people instead of just thinking about yourself. This verse says, a man that hath friends must show himself friendly. Somebody who has friends because they show themselves friendly. So when you are feeling your most alone, often that's when you need to look for other people and be the type of friend that you wish someone would be for you. So in this Bible lesson here with Tom and Mike, we can see Tom is only thinking about himself, wondering what other people think about him. Whereas Mike is not thinking about himself, he's noticing other people. And Mike is doing that job of being a friend. He's saying, what can I do to help him? And he's going to show himself friendly to Tom. And that's going to help him make friends with Tom. So somebody who has friends must show themselves friendly. That's where it starts. You don't have friends by not talking to people. You have friends by being a friend. So I want you to look through this descriptions here. And you're going to write either Tom or Mike. Which of the descriptions goes with which person? So looks at others from God's point of view. Is Tom looking at people the way God would want him to, or is Mike? And you're going to write the name in the blank that matches the description.